Let's see if I can do this here. Watch this. You paint that on there. See how it kind of makes them little bubbles there? It made some little bubbles before. See, it's making bubbles. You know what they say when it comes to using soap bubbles? No bubbles, no troubles. But there's a smell of gas, so you got bubbles, you got some troubles.